Chapter 4. Multiplication. Multiplication terms. Multiplication is repeated addition. In a multiplication sum, the second number denotes the number of times the first number is to be added to itself. The number that is to be multiplied is called the multiplicand, and the number by which we multiply is called the multiplier. The multiplicand and multiplier are also called factors. The result of the multiplication is called their product. For example, multiplicand 7 to 4 into 4 multiplier is equal to 2896 product. Properties of multiplication. 1. Multiplicative property of 1. When a number is multiplied by 1, the product is the number itself. Examples: A. 19 into 1 is equal to 19. B. 91 into 1 is equal to 91. C. 511 into 1 is equal to 511. 2. Multiplicative property of 0. When a number is multiplied by 0, the product is always 0. Examples: A. 30 into 0 is equal to 0. B. 451 into 0 is equal to 0. C. 5451 into 0 is equal to 0. 3. Order property of multiplication. The product of two numbers remains the same even if we change the order of the numbers. Examples: A. 9 into 5 is equal to 45 is the same as 5 into 9 is equal to 45. B. 195 into 2 is equal to 390 is the same as 2 into 195 is equal to 390. C. 1030 into 5 is equal to 5150 is the same as 5 into 1030 is equal to 5150. 4. Grouping property of multiplication. The product of three numbers remains the same even if we change the grouping of numbers. Example: 20 into 15 into 16 is the same as 20 into, within brackets, 15 into 16 is equal to 300 into 16 is equal to 4800 is equal to 20 into 240 is equal to 4800. 5. Distributive property of multiplication. When two numbers are added or subtracted and one multiplied by another number, they can be multiplied separately. Examples: A. 18 plus 12 within brackets into 10 is equal to 30 into 10 is equal to 300. Also, within brackets, 18 plus 12 into 10 is equal to 18 into 10 plus 12 into 10, which is equal to 180 plus 120 is equal to 300. B. 18 minus 12 in brackets into 10 is equal to 6 into 10 is equal to 60. Also, 18 minus 12 within brackets into 10 is equal to 18 into 10 minus 12 into 10 is equal to 180 minus 120 is equal to 60. Multiplication with zeros. We all know to multiply a number by 10, 20, 90, multiply the number by 1, 2, 3, 9 and add 1 0 to the right of the number. Examples: A. 9 into 10 is equal to 90. B. 248 into 40 is equal to 9,920. To multiply a number by 100, 200, 300, 900, multiply the number by 1, 2, 3, 9, and add 2 zeros to the right of the number. Examples: A. 249 into 200 is equal to 49,800. B. 347 into 400 is equal to 1,38,800. To multiply a number by 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 9,000, multiply the number by 1, 2, 3, 9, and put 3 zeros to the right of the number. Examples: A. 15 into 6,000 is equal to 90,000. B. 35 into 8,000 is equal to 2,80,000. Multiplication of a 4-digit number by a 1-digit number. Let us multiply 3,354 by 6 using the following steps. Step 1. Multiply 6 with 4 present in the ones column of the number 3354. You get 6 into 4 is equal to 24. Put 4 in the ones column and carry 2 to the tens column. Step 2. Multiply 6 with 5 present in the tens column of the number 3354. You get 5 into 6 is equal to 30. Add 2, which was carried, which makes it 32. Put 2 in the tens column and carry 3 in the hundreds column. Step 3. Multiply 6 with 3 present in the hundreds column of the number 3354. You get 6 into 3 is equal to 18. Add 3, which was carried, which makes it 21. Put 1 in hundreds column and carry 2 to the thousands column. Step 4. Multiply 6 with 3 present in the thousands column of the number 3354. You get 6 into 3 is equal to 18. Add 2, which was carried over, and get 20. Put 0 in the thousands column and 2 in the 10,000s column. Thus, 3354 into 6 is equal to 20,124. Multiplication of a 4-digit number by a 2-digit number. Let us multiply 2451 by 26. Step 1. Multiply 2451 with 6 of 26 and write the product in the first line of the answer. Step 2. Multiply 2451 with 2 of 26. Write 0 at the ones place on the second line of the answer. The column is added because 2451 is not multiplied by 2 but by 20. The rest of the multiplication is carried out in the usual manner. Step 3. Add the numbers on the first and second line of the answer to get the product. Thus, 2451 into 26 is equal to 63726. Multiplication of a 4-digit number by a 3-digit number. Let us multiply 6836 by 248. Step 1. Multiply 6836 by 8 and write the result in the first row of the answer. Step 2. Multiply 6836 by 4 and write the result in the second row of the answer. Remember to add a 0 to the right of the result, as 6836 is not multiplied by 4 but by 40. Step 3. The process is continued and 6836 is multiplied by 2. In this step, 2 zeros are added to the right, as 6836 is actually multiplied by 200 and not just 2. Step 4. Add the numbers vertically to get the final product. Thus, the product is 1695328.